is a very loving daughter. Basta kung ano yung naumpisahan niyang ginawa, tatapusin niya at talagang matalino siyang bata. Sana tuloy-tuloy pa rin yung dati niyang ginagawa niya sa kasalukuyan na pag-aaral niya para matapos niya through college.
Hi, Margaret. You are really a blessing to us in the family. Ang wish namin o prayer namin para sa iyo, patuloy ka na laging ilagay si Christ, you put God first in your life. So, always seek His guidance sa lahat-lahat ng decision. Dalangin namin na patuloy kang katulad na sabi ni Papa mo, you're a diligent, intelligent child namin na ipakita mo at i-end na makapag professional like your kuya. Bless you and more power. Katulad ng bigay ng superpowers mo.
It's a blackout fight to the end. Just like I'm the first one falling. I got the power flowing through my hands. Built up like a fire that rages. It's a blackout.
Happy birthday, Mother! We love you!
Behalf ng mga kuya natin is naging more patient at most of all gusto ko sana matutunan mo yung value of time and how you manage it kasi ang daming kinukuha na mga responsibilities, although maganda naman yung pinaka motive ng mga kinukuha mo, pero sana is you learn to prioritize. Sometimes the better thing to do is say no at responsibilities.
It's a blackout fight.